here. So it will record, and here I have to make the host. So it's very easy to me. Okay. Now let's begin, because of we are having only the 1 hours today, and it's very lengthy. It's a I have put it's very easy, but it's a little bit lengthy algorithm. Okay, but once you understood it, it's very easy, because of I have make it very simplified as per understanding point of view. So now come for what you have learned yesterday. So that is a DES algorithm. So that's yes, DES algorithm, encryption and decryption. Okay, that program also you have implemented, that debugging also you have implemented. Okay, and you have got the output also for encryption also and decryption also. Now at the today's point of view, so that I have said this yes dash AES. Okay, so this yes, again the same simplified, and A stand for advanced encryption. Okay, so that this standard. Okay, so algorithm for encryption. So today we are going to learn about the AES for encryption point of view. Now, what is the main idea behind this? So here also you have to convert the plain text. Just I am writing the plain text. Plain text is in my input. Okay, so plain text is my input. Okay, this is my input. So here what they have said that you have to consider here 128 bit. 128 bit as in my input value as a plain text. Okay, so once I have taken this as an input, so convert this to ciphertext. Ciphertext. Okay, that you have to convert from plain text to the ciphertext is the again this is 128 bit. So what I have written here, see, the input value plain text is the 128 bit, again output value again 128 bit, and here when you are going to transfer from plain text to the ciphertext in encryption method, so that time you have to use here key. So see that I have used the K as in my key. Okay, so this key also what they have said here, key also 128 bit. This key also you have to consider as an 128 bit. So this is the entire our algorithm, is that input value I have taken as an plain text, and I have again used the 128 bit. 128 bit is the key to convert that plain text to the ciphertext, and output also I have got which one, the 128 bit. Okay, so here what you can consider one input array. Okay, so just I am writing over here input array. Input array. Okay, or suppose input matrix, you may say this is the input array or input matrix. Okay, so this is the matrix that you have to consider, input matrix. So once I have considered this array or matrix, so that is having a two-dimensional. Okay, so that matrix one-dimensional or two-dimensional, that I have taken suppose this 4x4 one matrix. Okay, see here I am taking one matrix, that is the 4x4. Okay, so what is 4x4? So that suppose I have indicate is the 16 bytes. Is it? These are my 16 bytes. Okay, suppose that 16 bytes I want to convert to the word. These 16 bytes I want to convert to the word. So that become my, how many words are there? 4 words. So in this 4x4 array or the matrix, I can store the 16 bytes. Okay, and I can store the 4 words there. Okay, now how you can store here, see, just I am writing that matrix with the column and array so that you can understood it. Okay, so this is the my 4x4. Suppose this is the first row, second row, third row, and fourth. So this is my column, first, second, third, and fourth column. This is my 4x4. Correct. Now already you know, so 1 bytes is equals to how many bits? 8 bits. And here see, I have taken 128 bits as in my input plain text. Okay, and that the plain text I have converted to the 16 bytes, and that is the forward. Okay, so suppose you have said, sir, forward means how can I store in the forward? So suppose I have said here, see, 16 bytes, already the 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. So that is our 16 bytes. Okay, that you can store as 128 bits there. Now for the words, suppose I have said one word is equals to how many bits? One word is equal to how many bits? So there are 32 bits. Got it? One word is equal to how many bits? 32 bits. Suppose I have multiplied, this is my forward, so 32 multiplied by 4. So how many that you take? That is come the output of 128 bits. Got it, my point? So this is the value that you can take as an input. This is my input, 4 by 4 array or 4 by 4 matrix. That is my input. So that told that is the 4 by 4. So but how can I store the forward? So see, this is my suppose word 1. Okay, this is word 1, word 2, word 3, word 4. These are the word I can store over here. Okay, so that is become my 4 by 4 matrix. So what this algorithm says, suppose this I have taken as an input. So in a block diagram, suppose I have to draw with the block diagram. See, so how you can store in a block diagram then? Suppose that is my plain text. This is my plain text. So that I have taken how many? 128 bits. Okay, this is my 128 bits. Okay, so this is my 128 bits. Now this is my input value. Is it visible to all? Okay, now this is plain text is my 128 bits. So here what they have said, so first you have to transfer to one block. Okay, so that is one of the event. You may say this is one of the event. So here you can say add round key. Add round key. These things you have to put over here first. Now then once you have done this add round key, so the next block come, that is the next event, you may say this is the next event come. So that event is called as substitute bytes. Is it? This is the events after add round key. Okay, so what is my plain text? 128 bits. That I have put in how many? That is my 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, so this is my 4 by 4 matrix. Again, output also this is my 4 by 4 matrix come because of I have stored this all the things in 4 by 4. That is the 16 bytes. Okay. Now, after this event, substitute bytes. Okay, what you can do? So that you have to put. This is my first round. Okay, that I have started. Suppose this is my round 1. That I have started round 1 R1. Okay, once I have started this round 1 R1, so first come add round key, then substitute bytes. After substitute bytes, the next event is coming shift rows. Shift rows. Got it? This is my shift rows events are coming. Is it visible to all? Okay, once I have done the shift rows, this event, and then come for the mix column. You may say that is the name of the mix column or multiply the columns. Okay, so here I am writing mix column. Mix columns. Okay, now after mix columns, what the next event is that add round key. Add round key is the round one last event, and then come the output. See here that I have put the one box. Okay, so that is the dotted line box. Is it visible to all? This is the dotted line box that I am writing over here. So what this dotted line box said, this is my complete round one. Okay, in DS algorithm, you have completed that the 16 rounds. But here in AES algorithm, you have to complete the round how much? Round 10. You have to require round 10. Okay. Now just have to come say round 1. Okay. Now after completion of this round 1, so same things you have to follow for round 2, for round 3, for round 4, okay, round 5, round 6, round 7, round 8, and round 9. Correct? So these same things you have to follow. These are the things that you have to follow. Substitute. Means for, see, the round starting from substitute bytes, this event, and then shift rows, mix columns, and add round key. So same you have to, suppose I have to go with the add round key, and then again you have to start with the round 2 with the substitute bytes, shift rows, mix column, add round key. So this is my, again starting from this position. Okay. So this is my round 3. So that you have to follow up to the round 9. Okay. So I already told you that required the round 10, but here I have taken only the round 9. So what about the round 10? So for round 10 again, just have to go downward direction. So here again you have to take one substitute key as an one event. Okay, that is the substitute bytes. Okay, once you have completed the substitute bytes, here goes for the shift rows. Here goes with the shift rows, correct? Now after shift rows, then directly comes to the add round key. Add round key. Got my point? Okay. And then come the output. So that I have to put for only the round 10. So see here, what is the difference between above diagram and this dotted inside the diagram? Here I have ignored mixed columns. Here I have ignored the mixed column. So in the round 10, you don't carry the mixed columns. Directly you have to come from add round key. Understood? Now, and then come my output is what? Ciphertext. Ciphertext is my output, which how many bytes are there? In output, how many bytes for the ciphertext? On the top, I have already told you the output again come how many? 128 bits. Is it visible to all? Now, see, this is the things I have done for plain text to cipher, but I have not used here key. Here, the key also I have said that you have to use the key. But how can you use the key? So just suppose I have said this is my key. Okay, this is my capital key that I start. Okay, so that key I have to start with, suppose my first round like this over here, my key. But yes, I have started with the key, no problem. But what the value I have considered over here for the key is W03. Okay, this is my first key. Then that you have to expand. Here, what you can say, this is the, they have said that you have to expand key. I will tell you in the details how you can expand the keys. Now, so whenever is the add round, that time you have to add the key. See, the add round over here. Okay, then add round over here. So that time you have to add. So add round just have to put the down. Okay, so here in add round that I have to put the key. Okay, first of all, before starting the round 1, add round 1. Then after starting round one, in the round one, you can take the key. So that key, suppose here I have used 03. So after 03 come, the razor is 47. Okay. Now this is for round one. Go for round two. So what is the key for round two? 811. Okay. Then go for round three. So what is the key for round three? After 11, 12, 15. So likewise, you have to enter all the keys. So at last, which is the key is remaining. So because of here, see, in round 10 again, we have required add round key. So that time go downward direction. Okay. And here you have to add the key like this. Suppose I have to put, okay, W. So which is the last remaining here? 43 is the last key remaining that you have to add over here. So this is the first basic diagram that you have to understand first, very well. Everybody understood? See, what I have said, this is the AES algorithm for encryption. Here I have taken plain text as in my 128 bits. Okay. Input, key also 128 bit, and then I have started with the ciphertext, that is also the 128 bit. See, here 1 byte is equals to 8 bit. Okay. Now just to put like this so that you can understand. Now, what is my input array or the matrix? This is my input array. And why I have taken this the 4x4? Because of I have to use the word 4 word or 16 bytes. Okay. So 4 word, why I am taking 4 word? Because of that each word you can put in an array. Okay. So in a column that I have inserted here. See. Now, so one word contain how many bits? 32 bits. Okay. So 32 multiplied by 4, so that become 128 bits. So 128 bits is my plain text input, and that plain text I have taken over here, and this is my 4x4 array. Okay, so this is my input value. Now go for then substitute bytes, shift rows, mix columns, add round key. So these are the events that you have to complete in round one. So how many round you have to complete? So up to R1, R2, R3, so R9, the 9 round you have to complete. Once you have completed this 9 round, then what about the 10 round? See, the 10 round is what? That 10 round is ignore the mix column. 10 round is going to ignore the mix column, and then that is the substitute bytes, shift rows, and add round key is over here. Once you have completed this, then I have got the output as in my ciphertext. So how can you use the key? So key over here. Now come for the one another matrix that is called as the state array. Okay, so that state array again I am going to draw. So that is again one of the important array or the matrix. So here see the state matrix or the array. This also the 4x4 because of you have taken the 4x4 as in my input. So just have to draw over here. So what are the elements are here? See just okay. So here again 16 bytes divided by 4 words. So here how can store the value? See, yes 0, 0 state. So state that I have taken the yes 0, 1, yes 0, 2, that is the second row, yes 0, 3. So likewise same way you have to go for yes 0, 1, sorry 1, 0, yes 1, 1, here 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, here 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay, then yes 3, 1, 3, 0, yes 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay, this is the last element. Now how you can say this row? See, yes zeros bytes one word. How can I say this? Yes, state matrix. Yes, one byte. Yes, one byte. Zeros word means, see, this is the all 0 0 in this column, so that I have put the word one. So this is the word one for all 0 0 0, but I am going to increase. I am going to increase what? Bytes. So first element is for the bytes, and second element is for what? Words. Got it? So this is my 0 word, this is my 1 word, this is my second word, and this is my third word. So 0 to 3, so that is become my 4 words, so that you can store all 4 words in the state array. Okay. Now how you can put the expand, means see, so that you can expand for what? This entire array you have to expand by using the word. See, just I'm going to draw the diagram. Here I have said the expand key. So expand key, how can generate from 16 bytes is 4 word, so that you have to expand it. So suppose I have say my W0 word, W1 word, W2 word, okay, W3 word. Likewise, you have to increase, okay, up to W. What last values become 42, okay, and then 43. This is my last value. Is it visible to you? 43. Okay. So this is the last. So what this you have to expand this all word. You have to expand. See, here I have said the expand key means for what? See, so W0 to W3. So first 4. These are the first 4 is used over here. See, W0 to W3. So W0 to W3 you can use over here in a key. Okay, so that word you can use as a key. Again, that you have to expand. After expanding that, already expanded up to the 40 to 43. So what is the next? After 3 come 4 7. So 4 7 you have to utilize in round 1. Then 8 11 you have to utilize in these words in round 2. Go ahead. Then 12 to 15 you have to utilize in round 3. So these are all things you have to utilize up to the round 9. So what the remaining? The round 10. Suppose this is my round 10 is what? W 40 to 43. So this is the last word 43. So this is called as the expand. Okay. So expand key with 44 words. But how can expand from this 4x4 matrix? You have to expand here. Then also I have to explain you how can expand it. Okay. So just right now you have to understand this diagram, basic diagram for the plain text conversion to the ciphertext. Okay, plain text conversion to the ciphertext by using our key, and that key I have put over here by expanding W0 to W43 from 4x4 state matrix array, that is 16 bytes by 4 words. You understood it? Now come for the next part. Means what? That I have to go with the encryption. Means how I am going to perform the operation add round. See, plain text you already know. So these are the plain text. But sir, what is this add round key? Means what you are going to perform there? What is meant by substitute bytes? What the operation you are going to perform here? Shift rows. Shift rows means how you are shifting the rows. Okay. Mix column. So how you are mixing the columns. And add round key means what? Because of add round key over here is the same and add round key same over here. But what are the difference? Means what? Here you are performing XOR operations. Means sum. See, suppose I am going to perform here XOR operation with the plus. Okay, here again you have to perform the XOR operation with the plus. Here also the XOR operation over here the plus. But how the XOR operation? With my word. Add round key, already the 4x4 matrix, that you have to perform XOR operation with this word 0 to 3, then 4 to 7, 8 to 11. Okay. Now, that also I am going to explain you how you can perform this add round key. Now, come for some Is there any question up to this point that I have explained to you? Any question? Divani?
No, sir, understood.
Understood? Okay. Now, then come for the how you can performing the operations. Okay, in substitute bytes, shift rows, mix columns. Okay, substitute, shift rows, mix column, and add round key. Just have to put little bit down so that is easy to you. Okay. So I have already told you that you have to take as an input 4x4 matrix. So this is my 4x4 matrix that I have taken as an input. Okay. So this is my input value. So here I have to use the input. Now in the exam, that up to you how to write this one, but for understanding how the operations are going to perform, okay, in examination you may write from plain text to the ciphertext. Okay, but what are the operations are performing in substitute bytes, shift rows, that you have to understand by your own. Okay, so that you are not necessary to draw. Okay, up to this diagram you have to draw, and these are the events you have to draw over here in round 1 to round 9, and last in a round 10 you have to draw without mix column. Okay, now then come for the 4x4 matrix is my input. Okay, now go for the downward, then here my substitute bytes, is it? So first of all you have to concentrate on this is my, this is input for this one and this is output for this 4x4. Okay, this is the output. Got it? See the simple diagram. So don't, this is ciphertext for above figure. Here the input is what? Plain text. Plain text is my input. Okay, now 4x4 matrix I have already told you that I have drawn. Okay, now substitute bytes is my operations. For the substitute bytes, what they have said that you have to use one yes box. Okay, see here that I am drawing yes box. Here 16 by 16 they have told the S box is performing for the key. Here S box. Okay, now first of all understood this diagram only, little this, because of I have to extract this diagram only. Now what is this S box? Okay, that you have to understood first. Okay, so here I have to draw. So this is my 4x4 matrix that I have to draw first. Yes, 0 0, only one I have to draw. Okay, okay, yes, 0 0, yes, 0 1. Okay, so rest I don't have to draw. Okay, so these are, you can easily understand. So this is my first diagram for what? State. Okay, see the state matrix. Here my state matrix. This is input, this is my input state matrix. Okay, now from this I am considering this first element. Okay, this is my first element. Okay, and that first element I am again joined with my which element? This is, I am going to join with my S box. Is it visible to all? This is my input 4x4. Okay, this is my 4x4 input that I'm going to join with my S box. Okay, now again I have to take the output. Suppose the output over here. Okay, that I'm going to take one of the output, and that output again I have put one 4x4. See, output also the 4x4, input also the 4x4. In between this 16 by 16, S box is the 16 by 16. Huh? So see here that how they are going to convert the 16 by 16. This also my S00. So here the S00. Okay, here 01. That I have to draw. Okay, only two elements I am considering over here. Okay, got it. So this is my input output. You have understood up to this diagram? See, only concentrate on substitute bytes. How the operations are performing substitute bytes in round 1. Okay, now, so suppose the elements S00 having one of the elements are there. So that element, suppose I have said any numbers. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so that's having 8 bits. Okay, this is number 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. What they have told, this is you have to divide into 4 bits. Suppose that I have divided. So what is the first element? 0, 1, 0, 1. What is the second element? 0, 1, 0, 0. Got it? Suppose that S0, 0 contain this value. This word contain this value. Which one? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. That I have divided into 2 parts. So that becomes 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 0. Understood? Okay. So what is the digit? This is binary number. So what is the digit value of this one? Is 5. See, 0, 1, 0, 1. And what is the digit value of this one? 4. Now, what they have said, that is our value. You have to multiply. We have to multiply 5 multiplied by 4. How many? 20. So that you have to multiply, that become a 20. And that's 28 elements. Means what? 5th row and 4th column. 5th row and 4th column that you have to go. Okay. So here again I have to put this the 4th column. 4th and 5th. Okay. So here become my which element? 20. Here I have already told you, yes box is how many? 16 by 16. Means 0 to 15 here and 0 to 15 here. Okay. 0, 1, 2 up to the 15. Here 0, 1, 2 up to the 15. So how you can got this 20 number? See, just I have considered S00 is my input value from the plain text that I have divided any word in 8 bytes. Okay. So what is the value over here? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. That I have divided into 2 parts. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So what is the value of 0, 1, 0, 1 is the 5. So that you have to consider row. And what is the value of 0, 1, 0, 0? That is the 4. So which value you have to consider? This is my column. So this is the 5th row, 4th column. So what is the value of 5th row, 4th column? Become 20. Yes. So 20 is over here. Now this 20 value I am going to transfer on this number. So what is the value of 20? So this S00 value become 20 is what? 0, 0. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This become is equals to 20. That is my S00. After substitute bytes. Means this is become my what? 4 by 4 over here. This is my 5, 4. Okay. And this is become my 20. You may say this is my input value. After substitute bytes become 20. And 20 can be stored in S00. Got it? Everybody understood it? Is there any question? So here you have to consider yes box. So I have not taken the attendance. You may join only the 1 minute I think remaining. So if disconnected, then you have to join again with this same link. Okay. So we have to complete at least the 1 or 2 parts. Mix substitute bytes and shift rows. Okay. Now, again I have to take one example so that you can understood. See, this is the taken for my number. This one. Suppose I have consider another number 0, 1, 0, 0. Correct. 0, 1, 0, 0. So that you have to divide into 4 parts. Means this is the 4, this is the 4, this becomes the 4, and this becomes the 4. So fourth row and fourth column. Got it? See, this is my 0, 1. That I have to put like this. And this is again I have to put fourth, fourth. So this becomes 16. Got 16. And that 16 is 0, 1. And that I have to consider over here 16. So what is the number for the 16? 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1. And that's you can take the 4 times 0, correct? Because of 4 and 2 raised to power 4, that become a 16. So this is become my what? This number. Is it? This is equals to 16 that I can store. Understood?